In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to save a GIF in Photoshop step by step. Whether you're creating a meme, an animated banner, or a short looping graphic for your website or social media, exporting your animation properly as a GIF is essential. I'll walk you through the full process, from setting up your animation to choosing the right export settings so your GIF looks high quality and plays smoothly. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Photoshop tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. Step 1 is to create or open your animation inside Photoshop. If you already have a layered file ready to animate, open it now. If not, you can create a new document and design your frames using separate layers. Once your design is ready, go to the top menu and click on Window, then select Timeline. This will open the timeline panel at the bottom of your screen. Here you'll have two options: create frame animation or create video timeline. For simple GIFs like memes or basic animations, choose create frame animation. If you're working with motion graphics or more complex movement, you can use video timeline instead. After selecting your timeline type, make sure your animation plays correctly by pressing the play button in the timeline panel. Watch it carefully to confirm the timing looks good and everything appears in the correct order. If needed, adjust the frame delays or layer visibility until it plays exactly how you want. Getting this part right is important because whatever plays here is exactly what will be exported. Now let's move on to step 2, opening the correct export window. Once your animation is complete and working properly, go to File in the top menu, then hover over Export and click on Save for Web, and make sure you choose Save for Web Legacy. This is very important because the regular Save As option will not properly export an animated GIF. When you click Save for Web Legacy, a new export window will open. This window gives you full control over the GIF settings, including format, colors, looping options, and file size. You'll also see a preview of your animation inside this window. Step 3 is choosing the correct GIF format settings. In the top right of the Save for Web window, change the format dropdown to GIF. Once you select GIF, you'll see several options appear. Set colors to 256 for the best possible quality. This gives your GIF the maximum color range allowed for GIF files. If your file size is too large later, you can reduce this to 128 or even 64 colors to make the file smaller. Next, look at the looping options near the bottom of the window. Change this to Forever if you want your animation to continuously loop. This is perfect for memes, reaction GIFs, website graphics, and social media posts. You can preview the animation directly in this export window to make sure it loops smoothly and looks correct. If the file size seems too big, you can also reduce the image dimensions on the right side to make the GIF smaller and faster to load.